Hi, welcome back. Another important session. So this is specifically useful for support track. Certain times, if you would like to know some changes, what was happened against your delivery document. Okay. How do you track delivery document changes in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? Certain times you will have a small tip or entry question for you by knowing this one. So the transaction code is VL0 to N. Okay, VL01 is for creation of your delivery document, and VL02 is your change, and VL03N is for display of delivery document. That also you can able to track it. So before moving ahead for SAP system, if you are not a subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 740 plus videos. Okay, if you really wanted to have some exceptional knowledge on your work, you can subscribe my channel. And when it comes to serious learning, currently I'm holding around 5,700 plus students, 934 successful reviews in this. So I would like to tell that this is one of my prime course, 110 hours. I'm just going to add my tip over here. Specifically SD folks and any SAP consultant for that matters, they can able to do that, getting master to write a functional specification. This for idocs, 5 scenarios I have explained. So all these are the different courses available. I'm just providing those links below of this video. If you really have that seriousness to learn faster, you can subscribe my courses. Okay, let's get into the topic. Let's create a order quickly. Okay. So let me take this document type. You can take any document type for that matters. Press enter. So test DLV changes. I'm just giving the PO number like this. Let's put this. Okay. I'm just saving this order. Okay. So let me check whether you are watching right screen or not. Let's come here. Okay. Go to the delivery document. Just give the shipping points. Let's try to. Okay. Let's take this. Okay. So storage location. Okay. So let's do the change. Okay. So this is delivery output type. We don't require now. Let's go to the change mode. Let me show you here. Okay. If you go environment, this is the place where you can able to find the changes. Okay. So first time it is created, you didn't make any changes. That's why it's not showing the log. Let me try to help you out. Okay. Let's add one more line. So let me try to add the storage location. Okay. So let's take the delivery quantity. Don't do the picking. It is partially picked. So let's save this. Okay. Now go inside. Okay. Again, environment. Go to the changes. Now, if you see this line 20 created. Okay. So total weight changed because we have added one more line item. Net weight also changed. Overall picking and put away status also changed. Previously, if it was single line item, the status is C. Okay. So since it is partial pick, so the status is changed. Let's try to do the C. Now you see the status. I'm changing. It is turned into the C. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me try to increase the quantity also. Okay. With this, let's try to save this. So assume that this is happened second day. Okay. Environment and changes. So you can able to see here time of the change. What time it is got changed. So detail view, if you wanted, you can see this changes from date, from particular date also you can able to change. If you would like to filter from particular user, that also you can able to do it. If you would like to see item-wise changes also, you can able to do that. Okay. So let's, now if you look at this, see total weight, okay, and new value, how it is got changed. Okay, previously it was this. When I increased this, it's almost doubled. Okay. So now if you look at this, the line 20 got created. Actual quantity initially it was 1. When it is got increased to 5, it is got changed. So like that, you can able to find the changes. Let's try to check. Certain times, see it is specifically useful for users actually. Let's assume. So he added one more line. Okay. And this is 100% usable. These kind of analysis things you must know, not only creating the delivery document. If you create the delivery document, you're just like end user only, right? Okay. So learn slowly, no problem. With experience, we can learn everything. Okay. So let's try to make this one as piece. If, let me check. Okay, it is disabled, no issues. Okay, let's save this. Okay, go enter. Let's do the PCI also. Okay, so now go and check again. Environment. Too many changes will be there. So now let's try to see, all these are the different changes. It is got created, and this is the line got created. See what I would like to tell it. So it is got created on the same day. It might be created on different days. For example, the end user raised a ticket on delivery document. So like, he made by background jobs and manual changes all put together. So your delivery document might have like, 50 to 60 line items or else 100 line items, sometimes more than 200 line items. So one line item got an issue because of that, delivery document closed. He will give analysis for you in support. Okay. You must know all those things. Okay. So let's try to do change time of the change. Let's give the item 20. Okay. We specifically report for the item 20. So now see this, you can able to see when it is got created and who is the user, how the quantity changed. Item wise also, you can able to filter it out. Okay. So let's try to check time of the change. Okay. So when you look at this, you can able to find the, if you click this particular line, you can able to see the time also here. Okay. Let me share whether you can able to see this or not. Okay. So you can able to see the time of the change also. Okay. This is one thing. If you double click, you can able to see the time of the change of the particular. What is the old value and what is the new value also. If you would like to see detailed level, so let's go for this detailed level and let's go to the time of the change. Let's go for line 30 this time. Okay. So let's check. See, now it is got created. Nothing changed much. Let's keep it line 20 so that we will have some changes. Okay. For line 20, let me keep the line 20 and let's go to the detailed view, the time of the change. We check this one. So now you will get it here. Okay. So if you click particular line, you can able to see the time of the change also. These are the different ways, not only sales document, delivery and billing also. You can able to do that. You can able to track the changes in the similar way. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's reverse this. Okay. So let's reverse this. Okay. So now you reverse it this one. Okay. So now let's go to VL0 to N. Let's try to delete line 10. Okay. I have deleted line 10. I increased the quantity to 7. I have decreased the quantity to 2. Okay. Let's do the PCA. Now let's check the changes. See, every day no one will do like this for analysis. I'm just telling users might play with you. Okay. This is the proof. Like whatever the certain times, some changes won't be tracked by this change view also. Most of the times it will be tracked. Okay. So they will lie with you. So now if you see this, see changes got increased, right? See line 20, how the quantity got changed. See this line 10 I have deleted, right? So line 10 deleted. What is the latest change you can able to see at the bottom actually? So like this, you can make the analysis. Don't neglect this video. please forward to your friends. It's very useful. Okay. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. So all these are the different courses. If you really want it, you can subscribe, you can learn almost 20 plus courses available. Okay. So continuously watch my channel for better learning. See, if you would like to learn support actions and 18 real-time near standard incidents I have explained. If you want it, you can give it a try. Okay. So thank you so much. I'm wishing you all the best. So you can comment if you like my videos. If you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day.